loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Octavia.Darling. I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So if you like that type of stuff, then go ahead and join this community by hitting the subscribe button, and you might as well turn on post notifications and never miss a video. And this is my first lock tutorial of 2025. Wow. When's the last time I did a lock tutorial, y'all? Shall we check together? Wow. I think the last time I did a lock tutorial was for my birthday vlog. That was 4 months ago. So we are long overdue. I'm excited because sometimes when you take a break from something that you enjoy doing, and when you're ready to get back into the groove of it, you just want to take a different approach. So that's what we'll be doing today. Some lock maintenance, wash, fresh retwist, and a lock style. So let's hop into it. This is the product that I will be using today for my retwist. I've used this a few times and I absolutely love this gel. It does exactly what it says, super hold. I have not retwisted my locks since November. So it's been a while for that too. I just went on a whole like winter hiatus. When it comes to my locks, when it comes to tutorials. But I needed that break, y'all. We all need a break every now and then. I'm just gonna go in and gently separate my locks that are kind of combined. If you do this, please take precaution and be gentle, y'all. Y'all see this lock right here? It's a weak one. I was thinking about joining it with another one eventually because I don't want it to like pop off. Ooh, this one right here is a little matted, ain't it? Oof. Okay. Then I just added a little bit of aloe vera juice to this spray bottle. I had my lock refresher in this, and that contains aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, oil, but I've poured it out because it was kind of old, so it's just a little bit of that left in here, but majority of it is aloe vera juice. And I'm only spraying this on my roots, not my actual locks, okay? I'm starting my retwist at 9:50 a.m. Let's see how long it takes. If you've never retwisted your own locks or you want to learn how to do it, my best tip for you is to, one, find what kind of product you want to use that is best for your hair when it comes to retwisting. Not everyone uses retwist gel, not everyone uses oil. People have their own methods. Over the years, I've learned that like a dry gel works best for my hair texture, and that just so happens to be what the Napstar Super Hold Retwist Gel is. It's a dry gel. And then also think about which methods work best for you. Some people like comb retwist, some people like palm roll retwist like myself, and some people do interlocking. So yeah, just find your flow and stick with it. think I'm just gonna go ahead and join this with this one now. Like retwist these two together because I can't. I just can't, y'all. Next month on April 4th, I will make 5 years locked. 5 years. Wow. If you were to change the color of your locks, what color would you do? I think I found my color with this red. Don't get me wrong, when I used to have the honey blonde, that was definitely my color too. But this red, baby. Y'all know that lady who be cooking on social media? I wish I knew her name. I'm gonna have to watch her videos. Gonna pop up next time I go on Instagram or something. But she be like, today, baby. Like, I love her intro. I absolutely do. And by the way, although I have not been posting tutorials as much, I still am active on YouTube. I currently have a video diary series going where I post every day on YouTube with no strategy, just vibes. And I think I'm on day 28 or 29, one of the two. But y'all, I love that series because I'm just able to show up authentically and not feel like I have to strategize on what I'm going to talk about. I literally just pick up my camera and start filming and post every single day. And my community has been growing from doing so. So if you want to keep up with your girl, lock in with my video diary series. Now, if you're new here and you don't know this, I do not have like straight parts. I started my locks with the free part method, so you're gonna just see me like basically pulling locks from all sorts of directions because there's no like real flow going on over here, okay? Y'all see how much new growth? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's a lot. Okay, I'll be back, y'all, when it's time to do the lock style. So I just finished my retwist. It took exactly an hour and a half to do it. I still got it. But here's how we looking. Hopefully y'all can see. Looking nice and neat. Love it. Highly recommend testing out the Napstar Super Hold Gel. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's get into this lock style. So I have a vision for it. I want to try my best to explain it. So I see like the bottom half of my so the back of my head, half of the back of my head, I'm gonna do 2-strand twists. And then on the side, on this side, my right side, I'm going to do some flat twists going up. Yeah, some flat twists going up to the side. And then over here, I'm going to do a couple twists going back. And then here, just have regular 2-strand twists. I can show you better than I can tell you. I don't think it's going to take that long for this style. I'm going to give myself 1 hour. 1 hour. Can I do it? It is currently 11:50 a.m. So we gonna see if I can be done by 1 o'clock, the latest. Let's get to work. The 2-strand twists are complete in the back. and it took me 50 minutes to do it. It's exactly 1 o'clock now. I had to take Rello out, but now we're going to go ahead and move to the front. And honestly, y'all, I'm gonna give myself another hour to do the front. Hopefully it don't take that long because I'm getting hungry. I haven't eaten today. Section it off for the flat twist. I think I do want it to go straight up. Not at an angle, right? Or should I do it at an angle? Can y'all see? Come on, Tay. You got this. Come closer. Hopefully I'm focused. Can y'all see? Okay, now I'm twisting the opposite direction. Downward. Yeah, it's supposed to go this way. That feels better. So I completed this side. I just did 3 twists going back, and then make sure that's over here like that. Oh, I can already tell I ain't gonna like how this twist falls. That one. Okay. Now we're just gonna do some single well, I shouldn't say single, but just some regular 2-strand twists right here. Woo, we are almost done, and it's 1:28, y'all. So we're doing really good with time. Last twist. I started this process at 9:30 a.m. That includes the wash and the retwist, and it's currently 1:37 p.m. So 4 hours is how long it took me to get it done. That's not bad. That's like a time that you would spend in the salon, I think. Right? Oh yeah, this is so cute. That's how it looks underneath the twist. If you like this lock style, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my first lock tutorial of 2025. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. I will check y'all in the next video, and I hope you have an amazing week ahead. Bye.